Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Rachel, your coach with New Leaf Wellness and Nutrition, and I am happy to be with you today. I know I say this, but it's true. I love you, whoever you are, however you're watching, whenever you're watching. I love you. I care about you, and I want to share with you something today that maybe you won't believe, but it's true. And that is, it is possible to make peace with your body. For those of us who live in the West, diet culture has hijacked our brains, and we are very often at war with these precious bodies that we've been given because they don't look like they're supposed to look. They aren't socially acceptable. If you're living in a larger body, you feel that all the time. If you're living in a smaller body, you're always either afraid that your body is going to change and you won't be socially acceptable anymore, or that there's still something wrong with you. There's still an ounce of fat here. I mean, who isn't trying to lose the last 10 pounds or whatever? Diet culture sucks, and it hurts everybody, straight size and folks in larger bodies. Obviously, it has an impact on those of us in larger bodies a little bit more, but it hurts everyone. And it makes it really difficult to have a good relationship with your body. But I am here to tell you, you can call a truce. You can make peace with your body. Even if it feels like you two have been on opposite sides for so long. It took me almost 52 years of my life to come back into relationship with my body, to see her for what she was, to love her for what she had done for me. It took a long time. I get it. I've been there. It's possible. And it starts like any good relationship with a commitment. A simple commitment that you are going to change how you engage with your body. No, that doesn't mean you have to, like, all of a sudden tomorrow just be so in love with yourself and take naked pictures and post them all over the internet. But it means it's a place to start. It's a clean slate. Maybe you need to apologize to your body. Maybe you need to start there. I am sorry. I'm sorry that I have not treated you the way you deserve. You show up for me every day. I move, I breathe, my heart pumps blood. Your body's here for you every day. And maybe you haven't always been there for your body, but you can apologize. And I mean it. I mean, sit there with yourself. Put your hands over your heart. Tell yourself, literally, I am sorry. How can we repair? Just like any relationship, you do two things. You fix what isn't working, and you pump up what is. What's not working right now? Look at that. You look in the mirror, you don't see anything you like. Well, that's a problem. How do we fix that? Start small. Pick something you do like. Maybe you have your mother's smile. Maybe you have your father's nose. Maybe you have parts of yourself that you can appreciate and embrace. Hands that make food for your loved ones. Legs that run. Start small and start appreciating the parts of your body that you can connect with. That's a good place to start. Those affirmations, I talk about it all the time, they work too. I deserve to have peace in this body. It's a good one. You can do it. It can be done. It isn't easy. It is work, just like everything else in this life. You don't just coast along. You don't coast along in relationships. You don't coast along in the relationship with your body, or you get what you have now. So if you need help, reach out. I mean, that's literally my job. That's what I'm here for. If you need a therapist, if you need someone to talk to, reach out for help. And begin. Just begin. All right, you know where to come find me at New Leaf Wellness and Nutrition. That's the website. That's my handle on social media. Come find me, talk with me. Let's see if we can work together. I would absolutely love to help you work on a relationship with your body. We do that in my 3-month program. And those mindset shifts are so powerful. And it's the greatest part of what I do. I'm also going to leave you my freebie, which is my 3 top tips for booting body shame. These are the tools that I used and I use every day, literally. So grab a free copy of it. I'll leave that in the description, and come find me. Let's talk. Let's see if we can get you and your body talking again.